In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in TickTick. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to a list, choose the right permission level, share with a link, and remove access when needed. Start by opening your browser and searching for TickTick. From the search results, head to the official TickTick site. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and access your account. These steps work best in the web app, which gives you quick access to sharing controls. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for lists. This is where all your task lists live. Choose the specific list you want to share. Remember, sharing happens at the list level in TickTick, so make sure you're selecting the list that contains the tasks you want the other person to see. With the list selected, right-click its name and choose Share. This opens the sharing panel for that list. In the invite field, enter the email of the person you want to add. Take a moment to double-check spelling so the invite reaches the right person. When you're ready, click Invite to send it. The recipient will get access as soon as they accept the invite. If they're new to TickTick, they'll be guided to set up an account during the process. Before you close the sharing panel, review permission settings. You can switch between can edit, can comment, and read only. Choose can edit if you want the person to add, change, or complete tasks alongside you. Pick can comment when you want them to discuss tasks without altering titles, dates, or statuses. Select read only if you simply want them to view everything without making changes. You can adjust this level anytime if needs change. If you prefer to share access with a link, useful for teams or multiple collaborators, enable the invite link. Toggle the option to turn it on then copy and share the link with the people who need access. Set the permission level before sharing the link so everyone who joins via that link inherits the correct role. For security, consider disabling the link after your collaborators have joined. If you ever need to remove someone's access, return to the sharing panel, find their name, click Remove, and then confirm Remove to finalize it. This immediately revokes their access to the list and its tasks. That's it. You've learned how to invite by email, manage permissions, share with an invite link, and remove access when necessary so you can collaborate in TickTick with confidence and control.